What's the meaning of Bloomingdale's? Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's.
Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's is a luxury department store chain that was founded in 1861 by brothers Joseph and Lyman Bloomingdale in New York City. Today, it is owned by Macy's Incorporated and operates stores throughout the United States. The name Bloomingdale's is said to come from the Bloomingdale Road, which was a dirt path that ran through farmers' markets on the Upper East Side of Manhattan. Over time, the Bloomingdale brothers turned their small store into a thriving retail business, offering a wide range of high-end products and designer fashion. Today, the name Bloomingdale's is synonymous with luxury and quality, attracting customers from around the globe.